So let me just get started. Um, Before we talk about the public training, for those who is not familiar with the SAP Education Partnership, let me just give you like a summary. So basically, SAP Education is offering three types of the products. The first is the education training service, including SAP Learning Hub, SAP Live Access, and instructor-led training, and customer-specific training, and SAP certification. Also, SAP Education is offering education software, which includes SAP Enable Now, SAP User Experience Management by Noah, and we also do have assessment tool called QM. Lastly, SAP Education is offering consulting services to the market, but maybe it includes some education consulting like coaching, project team management, knowledge management, learning needs analysis, etc. But unfortunately, SAP is not doing a partner business for the consulting service. But SAP Education is doing a business with for training service and software. So basically, education partner can achieve two types of the partnership. The partner who wants to do the business for the training, we call them as authorized education partner, aka AEP. And for those partner who want to resell our education software, we call it as PE partner. Yeah, so today's session is for the education partner, which are all of you guys here. And in the training service, we are going to talk about the public courses today. Yeah, just FYI for that. And let me go to the partnership. So as I mentioned, under the authorized education partnership here, we do have three types of the partner. First, for those who only resell our training service, we call them as education reseller partner. Also, who just do the delivery service for the training service, we call them as education delivery partner. Lastly, we also do have education reseller and delivery partner. So for those partner who can resell and deliver by themselves, and they just pay for the royalty to the SAP education. So all AEP can change their terms and condition based on their business circumstance. I'll say the R&D partner is the like mutual partnership in AEP, but yeah, you can change it. And then when you have that kind of agenda, you need to discuss with the channel manager. Yeah, I assume that most of you are already aware of this, but I just recap it. And as an AEP, we do have three types of the product. First, we do have public courses, which is our standard um, training, standard training services, right? Also, if the customer want the course only for them, you can customize a standard course and you can offer to the customer. Lastly, using the Learning Hub, which is our cloud learning platform, you can offer the flexible learning model as well. And today, since Katrina is managing all of the public courses in APJ, we are going to talk about the public course in-depth level. Yeah? Before I over to the Katrina, I will show you one web page, so the page that you can find the learning contents. I will share this link to you later, and if you visit here, you can go to the learning journey here, and then you can browse all learning journeys. Yeah. So let's assume that customer request you find a course regarding the Extended Warehouse Management, which is one of our new solution in SAP. Let me just type some of the letter. And if you go here, you can see that one learning journey here. And if you point here, you can see the learning journey for SAP Extended Warehouse Management. And in the learning journey, we have different type of the scenario. First, start with an overview. The courses are which are the overview, and become competent academic courses. And lastly, stay current, like to be up to date, and expanded your skills, which are Delta courses. And if you point any of this learning, the contents here, you can see the delivery methods. E-learning, 30.25 hours. Classroom for 5 days. Ebook for 20 hours. SAP Live Access for 15 hours. Customer can choose either of this, but e-learning means the contents in the Learning Hub, and classroom means the public courses. So with this, the course code, sorry, you can visit to the education training web shop, the one that all of you know about. So just copy that course code and paste it. And if you search that course, you can find this one. And if you go down, you can see the closest country's public courses schedule available here. So you can recommend this course for your customer if the customer prefer the offline training. Otherwise, you can just give this course code to the customer who is existing Learning Hub user. If you want to share this entire learning journey to your customer, you just can simply come here and you can click this, and it will generate the PDF file for EWM courses learning journey. Here, and you can simply share this with your customer like this format. So this is SAP EWM courses learning journey for the EWM consultant. And customer can simply click it to find the right training delivery method for themselves. Yeah. There's some explanation on there. And lastly, you also can find certification here. So if the customer take these courses, they can try taking a SAP certification with this. Yeah. You also can find the information regarding the certification in that training web shop. So you can enter C_EWM. Let me just click the 9.51. Then you can find the information regarding the certification. For example, 80 questions, cut score, duration, available languages. and etc. Price on the right side as well. Yeah. So this is how you respond to your customers' training needs.